to the road. Okay, so we were here in the summertime. We saw this beautiful waterfall, but it was just very casual. This time of year, it's going into the road. How cool is this? I'm literally getting plummeted with water, so let's keep going. All right, so we're at Lake Cushman. It is very cold. It's like 45 degrees, but feels way colder than that. It's beautiful though, so we're so happy. And we're like the only ones here, which is also awesome. And yeah, it's just so pretty. So, I hear the drone somewhere. Anyways. Okay, we are going to go find our campsite now. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It is so potholy.
Mythbusters said to drive fast.
Did they? Sure. We've passed so many waterfalls. That's probably why there's so many potholes.
The road is perforated with potholes.
Ooh. Wow. That is so pretty.
Kind of mesmerizing.
I want one of those. Doing a whole video based on our trek to the campsite. I can't. No.
Sorry, this is so bad.
This is so treacherous. Just. Oh. She's doing good. Legit think we're the only ones camping in this campground.
You're gonna back up straight to the
tonight.
table, or you're gonna like go a few minutes?
Whoops. Let me go. What? Alright. Oh my gosh. There's no one here. Like, what is this? Like right by the river? Seriously. Oh my gosh. And there's no one here.
How beautiful that is.
Very cool. Wow. Yes. Alright, so first things first, when we get to campgrounds, we set everything up, obviously. So that is what we are doing. And this is by far the coolest campsite we've ever had. Duh. Alright. Okay, it's done. Cool. So that's about that. It's a wrap. And onto the fire, I think. Question mark. Inside. This is set up quite cozy. This is my mummy bag. It's rated to like frigidness. We have an extra sleeping bag just in case. We have a heated blanket and we have heaters. So we are set. There it is. This is like the poorest video quality of 2021 I've ever encountered. But we forgot to film like absolutely everything. Well, not really. I was just having fun. Wanted to like live in the moment. I thought about it. But closing thoughts on the day.
Very, very fun day. We found it very peaceful. We are just falling asleep to the sound of a really dope river. And we had a fun night by the fire. It's literally just us at this campsite. We haven't seen anyone since we got here. Yeah, it's awesome. Anyway.
It's been a great night. And I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. We've been up since 5:30. We wanted to catch sunrise and we didn't have any service and we stupidly did not check what time sunrise was, so we went to bed and took our best guess. And it's pitch black, so we're doing okay. And now we're gonna make some coffee. It's also, did I say it was 34? I feel like I just said that. It's really freaking cold. Any thoughts?
I'm gonna get out and start the process.
Wow, okay, let's do this. Thank you. Okay, it's officially 5:59. We've been using our headlamps now for like 12 hours or something, but it got so dark here last night, so early, and it's still so early and so dark, so quite interesting actually doing this. Like, look how dark it is outside. At this little guy, it's totally his territory, and I turn around and I'm like, oh my god,
I can't believe that happened.
he literally, how long do you think he was there staring at us?
I don't know, I looked up and was like, ah! Oh yeah, staircase rapids. These boulders are stacked so precariously. We've made it to a bridge, everyone. Adele would sing about this bridge. Catherine, being from Baybridge, loves bridges, as you can tell.
It's so slippery.
Oh my god, be careful.
You be careful.
I will.
So nice. So this is so not where I thought we were going. We get to continue our quest for that one hike I really want to go on. And we're just going to, oh geez. What are we doing? Hiking. So we're gonna keep hiking. And that's all we have planned. season is just the best.
Oh yeah.
Because there's seriously,
Not even close.
there's no, like, where even are we going? Is this our trail?
Oh shit, yeah, look, the river's supposed to go under this bridge.
Okay, I don't want wet feet today.
Moment.
Oh my God.
Everything's a river, so I'm gonna try now.
Oh my God. Delirium is setting in. Okay, I did it.
She did it! Woo! Yeah!
Dry feet.
She made it past the swollen river that has gobbled up our trail.
Crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah. Okay. So we've stumbled. I think this is like the way you go. Hey.
Alright. You did it!
So we stopped before we got to the end of the potholes, which was nice. And now we are at Big Creek Campground, and it's definitely closed. I just love walking around these like deserted campgrounds with you. We do this in the off season and scope next adventure. I like it. I like it a lot. All of the sites are like really private. That was so sketchy. I guess this is like what nature is, but what? Okay. This looks so good. We've done so much.
We've earned this today.
We've earned it. Yum. Burgers with a view. Like 2.5 seconds later, we finished. All right, we are almost back.
I'm sleepy. But I'm also full of energy.
It's a hard feeling to describe.
Yeah, that's strong coffee. And I feel like
This is so strong.
it's still gonna be hard keeping me from landing, despite the 5 shots of this coffee.
There's 5 shots of coffee in there. Celtics play today at 4:30, right?
Yes.
And I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the game. Waking up early, since we're clearly novice to this concept as adults, totally worth it in the morning. Kind of hard to push through at this point in the afternoon. Because yeah, I have to like do work and stuff. That's gonna be hard, but